Hi everyone. I'm Ms.D.Moganapriya, Assistant Professor in Computer Science, K.S.Rangasamy College of Arts and Science, Tiruchengode. Welcome to today's session on Introduction to Machine Learning. So, what is machine learning? So, as we know, we are all living as and world, humans and machines. So, humans are also evolving and learning from past experience. And also, today machines are also work just like humans. For example, Tesla, which means a self-driving car. Next, so machine learning is just nothing but a subset of an artificial intelligence. So it the artificial machine learning is focused mainly on designing a system. So it allows learn from a data and predictions based on the experience. So next slide. So how does a machine learning works? So here our machine learning has I give a new input on machine learning model. That model has evaluated and predict get an answer outcomes for a predictions. The predictions was evaluated and accuracy. The accuracy was an accepted means the ML model was an successfully get a model. Otherwise, unaccepted means that model was again and again trained with the model with the same data until accuracy is acceptance. So, machine learning is classified into three types based on the way of learning. So, first one, supervised learning. Second, unsupervised learning. Third one, reinforcement learning. Next slide, unsupervised learning. So, unsupervised learning needed a supervision, which means the machine was learned using a labeled data. So, the data has the machine which input give an input that give machine model was corresponding it gives a corresponding output. So here an example. So I give an input for or label data when the model using my predictor that shapes means the trained data will accepted, otherwise again and again the training uses the model. Next slide. Types of supervised learning. So supervised learning has two types. One classification and another one regression. So next slide. So classification is used to solve the classification problems. It gives the outcomes for only two possibilities, that is yes or no, male or female, etc. So the classifications algorithms are random forest algorithm, decision tree algorithm, and logistics regression algorithm. So the classification gives the either answers only give the output. Next slide. Regression. So regression is a linear relationship between input and output variables. So the regression was predicted for future one. For example, students' marks, weather condition, etc. So the regression algorithm, some of the regression algorithms are simple linear regression algorithm, decision tree algorithm, multivariate regression algorithm. Next slide. Some common applications of supervised learning are speech recognition, fraud detection, spam detection, image image segmentation are also etc. So next slide, unsupervised learning. So unsupervised learning means it has no needed to supervision. So the machine learns using the unlabeled data. So the main goal of unsupervised learning is grouping the uncharted data items. Here the example. So here the example I give the input of unlabeled data set. So the data set using the model ML model, the model ML model after train the set of it gives the output for sorting the items. So next slide, unsupervised learning types. So unsupervised learning has two types. First one clustering, second one association. So next slide. Clustering is nothing better to find the inherent group of the data. So the clustering means a group of a data. Each group has a same data type and one group to another group it was an variance of the data. So next one, association. Associations means to find the dependency, which means the combinations of the data set. For example, when a customer buy a pair of shoes, he is the customer always ready to buy a pair of socks. So that is a combinational one. So the association is a combination of the products, for example. So where the associations mainly applied for market basket analysis, text, so web usage mining, etc. So web usage association, some of the rules, some of the algorithms are: first one a priori algorithm, and second FP growth algorithm. So next slide. Applications of unsupervised learning. So here are some applications: and network analysis, recommendation system, anomaly detection, singular value decomposition. So next one, reinforcement learning. So reinforcement learning works based on feedback process. Nothing but an agent. Agent is nothing but an AI programming. So when the agent has a get rewarded for each good actions and get punished for each bad actions. So the goal of the reinforcement learning is that the agent gets maximize of the rewards. So next slide. The reinforcement learning has two types. First one, passive learning. Second one, active reinforcement learning. So passive reinforcement learning means the agent, when agent works act on the fixed what he do it. So agent do what he do it already fixed. So active reinforcement learning means when an agent what he do means unfixed. So no fixed here needed. So here the active oral agent is acting at act is an optimal policy. So next one, some of the reinforcement learning applications are video games, robotics, resource management, etc. Thank you.